In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Sheets document with anyone using a view-only link. First, open the Google Sheets document you want to share. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account and that the sheet doesn't contain any private or sensitive information, because we're about to make it accessible to anyone who has the link. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. This opens the Share with People and Groups window. You'll see options to invite specific people, but for a simple, widely shareable link, we're going to use the link sharing section. In that window, find the Get Link area near the bottom and click it to expand the link settings. You'll probably see that the sheet is currently set to Restricted. That means only people who are explicitly added can open it. Click the drop-down that says Restricted to change this setting. From the options that appear, choose anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the URL to access the file without needing to sign in or request permission. It's a quick way to share read-only content broadly, like schedules, forms, or reports that don't need editing. Right next to that setting, make sure the permission level is set to Viewer. Viewer means people can open and read the sheet, but can't edit or comment on it. This is the safest choice when you want to preserve your original data. You might see other roles like commenter or editor, but we're intentionally leaving it as viewer to prevent unwanted changes. Now click Copy Link. That places the unique sharing link onto your clipboard, so it's ready to paste into an email, a chat message, a document, or anywhere else you communicate with your audience or team. When you're done, click Done to save your changes and close the sharing window. Your sheet is now configured so anyone with the link can view it, and your shareable URL is ready to use. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you ever need to stop sharing, just return to the Share window, go back to Get Link, and switch it from Anyone with the link back to Restricted. Also, if you're sharing this publicly, consider hiding confidential tabs or using protected ranges before you change the link setting. And if you want to double-check the link, you can try opening it in a private browser window to confirm it's view-only. That's it. You've created a simple, view-only link for your Google Sheets document and saved the settings properly.